As you may know, summer is officially coming, but you want to smell fresh, but don't have any fragrances. Let me help you on that one, buddy. You might need one of these Dolce & Gabbana's light blue Eau Intense, cause you want to smell intensely fresh, like water. Eau is water in French, okay? Yeah, so you want to smell like light blue Eau Intense. It's so fancy, just like the smell of it. And this is a very fresh fragrance, and it's perfect for the summer. You know, I wear some sunglasses today because it's sunny today, you know? Even though it's sunny, it's still cold, but I put sunglasses so I can feel the vibe of summer already coming. You know, I feel the energy from the sun. I get that vitamin D, you know, inside of me. All right, let's jump to the unboxing and reviewing of the fragrance. Let's do it. So here is the box that I'm struggling to open, but we're going to do it quick. Okay, let's do the fast unboxing. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm losing time already. Whoa, is this? Oh, it's a unique material on the. Here it is. Light blue Eau Intense. Oh, I forgot to take out my sunglasses, but you know what? I'm gonna do the thumbnail right quick. So this is the behind the scenes where I'm doing the thumbnail. All right, it's done. I can finally let my eyes breathe some fresh luminosity, some fresh vivid colors. Here, first of all, the box is not, I thought it was a plastic box, but in fact it is not. I don't know what this is called. It's not suede, but it's kind of a suede material, you know? Look, you can change the actual, no, can you? No, you can't. So yeah, the box is empty, you know? There's only the fragrance inside. And you have the name, the concentration, eau de parfum. No, actually, this is the size. Eau de parfum in the back. Then you have the ingredients. 79% of alcohol. So it's less than usual because fragrances nowadays get like 80% alcohol. And I hope this is a real one. I thought the cap should be like much more blue, like navy blue, but this is very light blue. I know it's the name of the fragrance. The cap feels a little bit plastic. Guys, I hope this is not a fake fragrance. Let's spray the cap first. Okay, it's new at least. Okay, it is the fragrance. Oh, I was scared for a second because I thought this was a fake one. So we're going to smell it. I'm going to spray it on my left wrist. And boom. First impressions, well, not first impression. This is like the third or fourth because I've smelled this a lot of times. Especially during summer. And wow. It's like the perfect fresh fragrance. Especially for summer. It smells salty, fresh, aquatic, and with hints of, well, citrus also, with hints of musk and a little bit of woodiness, if I'm not mistaken. We're going to check the notes after to correct if I'm wrong, but it's literally summer in a bottle, like Victor and Rolf Spice Bomb Extreme and Stronger With You Intensely are Christmas in a bottle. This is summer in a bottle because it is the perfect summer scent. So in the summer scent, you're looking for something fresh, something aquatic, something citrusy that's gonna complement the freshness. So you're gonna look for notes of grapefruit, lemon, ginger, something very fresh, very zesty. And also you can add some saltiness, some woodiness to add more character and depth. And it's simply beautifully done. It's not a complex scent or a masterpiece in a sense of there's a lot of notes and it goes from this, then it dries down into this, and you know, nah, this is a very simple yet effective fragrance. So it goes from the top, very fresh grapefruit, very fresh, you have sea notes, and you have a little bit of saltiness. Then it dries down into a fresh, salty, a little bit woody, and it's like you're smelling the smell of ocean. Not even ocean. You imagine this. You spray this and you go to take a walk in the beach, or just you're going to the beach to swim, and you're swimming and you're wet and you smell the smell of salt, because beach water is, well, I said it like that, beach water is salty. So it is salty, not so clean, because everyone is swimming in it and you don't know what happened there, you know, someone took a piss, someone took a shite, yeah, but you have that saltiness, all those ingredients mixed. Dolce & Gabbana light blue eau intense, so it is intense freshness, intense saltiness, not too much. I would say, if I would give it a percentage of the fragrance, around 20%, 25% of saltiness. And the saltiness comes, I think, from an official note of salt, and also from the sea notes, because sea smells salty. But this is very good. And you're thinking, oh, it's a fresh fragrance, so it must not last a lot of time, because as you may know, fresh fragrances don't last a lot of time. First of all, because the notes like citrus and very fresh notes in general don't last as long as something spicier like cinnamon, vanilla, and whatnot, you know. So yeah, that's why winter fragrances perform better than summer fragrances. And second factor is, when summer comes, you know, the sun is gonna be even more hotter, and it's gonna propulse more energy, it's gonna propulse more heat, and when your skin comes in contact with heat, it's gonna evaporate or sweat. That's why you sweat. And now that you've applied a fragrance on your skin, it's gonna evaporate even quickly. So that's why fresh fragrances don't last as long, but this still lasts for like 6-7 hours, which is very, very good for a summer fragrance, because usually summer fragrances last for like 3-4 hours, but this is like 6 to 8 hours, so it's very good. And if you run out of those 6 to 8 hours, well, just reapply and you're gonna be good. And talking about reapplying, the projection, is it or yes? To answer that quickly, it's in the middle, because summer fragrances also don't project as much as winter fragrances, and this projection is still good, okay? It's moderate. So if I spray it here on my skin and behind my ears and neck, I would say someone from like my arm length is gonna still smell me, okay? That's 100%. So much more farther than arm length is a little bit tricky, you know? It's not a very projecting fragrance, but if you're close to someone, not close like, yo, face to face, no, like close, you know, like general range, you know, hello, how you doing, shaking hands and everything, yeah, he's gonna smell you. That's 100% sure. Rest assured. So, and for the price, it's actually not very expensive, and you can even get it cheaper on discounters. So, if you don't have a summer fragrance, well, now you don't have any excuse to not have one, because the easiest choice you have is Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue Eau Intense. If you want other choices, I understand. And for that reason, I'm gonna make another video talking about, I don't know what's gonna be the title, top 5 or top 10 best summer fragrances. You tell me guys in the comment which one you want, top 5, top 10, or no top, just I'm saying random fragrances that are very good for the summer. So that saltiness is actually an important factor for this fragrance. That saltiness complements this fragrance even more. So now let's look at the notes. In the top, you have grapefruit and mandarin orange. So off the top, let's spray it together. Yeah, off the top you get a blast of citrus and a blast of freshness that comes from those two notes. So it's very fresh, very citrusy. Then in the middle, you have seawater and juniper. So to confirm with you guys, there's no official salt note inside of this fragrance, but you can understand that saltiness comes from the C notes. So the C notes is an artificial note that replicates the smell of the sea. So the sea, what it smells like, first of all, it smells aquatic, it smells salty, and it smells very fresh. Okay, fresh, salty, aquatic. So this is C note, and those three words literally summarize this fragrance. It is fresh, salty, and aquatic. Then you add some citrus and other notes, like in the base we have musk and amberwood. So in the base you have a light musk and that amberwood that gives it a little bit, a hint of sweetness. So with that being said, I'm going to do another video on the best summer fragrances, because summer is around the corner, guys. It's summer in like what, 3-4 months, not even, and you gotta prepare that fragrance. Oh the fuck, man, what the fuck, man? So you gotta prepare yourself, put your sunglasses on, and put more sprays than usual, because it's summer, guys. So no more 3 sprays. No. Now you put 6, 7, 8. I don't care. You put as much as you want, because it's summer. It's gonna evaporate quickly, so who cares anyways. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching again. I hope you like this one, this little review, and tell me in the comments which video you want me to upload. Do you want a top 5 summer fragrance, a top 10 summer fragrance, or just best summer fragrances overall? Let me know in the comments. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.